Hello everyone. Now we will see exercise 6.4 question number 3 of chapter 6 standard 8 square and square roots NCERT. Okay, so in previous video we have seen question number 2 of this exercise. Now we will discuss question number 3. So let us first see the question. The question is find the square root of the following decimal numbers. Now in previous video, we have seen how to find out square root by long division method. But the numbers were not decimal. Now here, again we will use long division method, okay, for finding the square root. Okay, we will use division method for finding the square root. Okay, now in this question, the difference is the squares which are given to us are decimal numbers. So now how to do for decimal numbers, that we will see. In decimal numbers, there are two parts, okay, integral part and decimal part. This you all know, okay, in any decimal number, the number or whatever is given before the point, that is called integral part, and whatever is given after the point, that is called decimal part. So with one example, we will try to understand how to draw bars in decimal numbers. So first of all, for example, suppose I am taking 176.341. So this is one decimal number I have taken. So this part, okay, which is before decimal point, this is called integral part. This is called integral part. And this part which is after the point, that is called decimal part. Okay, that is called decimal part. So for finding the square root of this number 176.341, we will divide it by long division method. Okay, but how to put bar? 176.341. So whenever we start division, first of all we put bar. Okay, in previous question we have seen that if there is no point, for example, if I give you only 176.341 without decimal point, if I give you, you know how to draw the bar. In previous question we have seen we will start from last digit, and after 2 pairing, means 2 digit 2 pair we make, we start from last digit, ones place or units digit, and then 2 digit we take, and this way we draw the bar, and then we start our division. But in case of decimal point, the method is not same. So putting the bar, the method is not same. The method is, first of all, you will draw bar on integral part also and on decimal part also. दोनों पे आपको bar draw करना है. In integral part, we start putting the bar from the last digit. This is integral part. So we have to start putting the bar from the last digit of integral part. Are you getting? This is integral part. So last digit of integral part is 6. So we will start drawing the bar from here. Are you getting? So this and then this. And after the decimal point means this part which is decimal part, we start drawing the bar from the beginning, from this 34 and then this 1. Okay, so this way we will draw the bar in decimal numbers. Okay, ये जो नंबर है जो पॉइंट के पहले है, तो वहां पे पीछे से स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, एंड ये जो नंबर है जो पॉइंट के बाद है, वहां पे स्टार्टिंग से ही बार ड्रॉ करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो दिस वे वी विल ड्रॉ द बार्स. फॉर 176 वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द यूनिट्स प्लेस, ओके, एंड वी मूव टूवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट साइड फॉर ड्रॉइंग द बार. एंड फॉर 341 वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द डेसिमल पार्ट, ओके, एंड वी मूव टूवर्ड्स द राइट. आई होप आई एम क्लियर टू यू. पॉइंट के पहले जो भी नंबर है उसके लास्ट डिजिट से स्टार्ट करेंगे, एंड वी विल मूव दिस साइड एंड वी विल गो ऑन ड्रॉइंग द बार. और पॉइंट के बाद जो भी दिया है डेसिमल पार्ट, तो वहां पे स्टार्टिंग से आपको बार स्टार्ट करना है, एंड देन यू विल मूव दिस वे टू द राइट साइड. ओके, सो दिस इज द मेथड ऑफ ड्रॉइंग द बार. आई होप आई एम क्लियर टू यू. नाउ we will start our sums, so it will be more clear how to draw the bar, and then division process is same. So first one is 2.56. So we will start, okay? So first we will write 2.56. As I told you, point के पहले जो भी दिया है, there we will put the bar. So here only one digit is there. So this way we will draw the bar. Now after the point, we will start drawing the bar. So after the point, Okay, we start from 5 and we go this way, right side. So 2 digit we take. So 2 digit means this way we will draw our bar. So this way, here 1 digit and here 2 digit. Now just like simple division, we will start dividing. So we have to think which number is a perfect square number and it should be less than or equal to 2. So we can take 1 ones are 1. We can take 1 ones are 1 because 2 twos are 4. 4 will be more than this, so we can't take it. So now 2 minus 1 will give you 1. And this side, the method is same. We have to do double of 1. So 1 plus 1. So here you will get 2. Okay, here you will get 2. Now point is there, so you will keep here point. Okay. Now this is in pairing, so both you will bring down 56. दोनों साथ में नीचे लेके आना है. Okay, so 56 will come down. So this way we will write 156. Now whatever digit we keep here, that same digit we have to take it down at ones place and same digit here, and then we have to multiply. Now last digit is 6. So with the help of last digit you can easily guess that which number we can take. So yes, we can take either 4 or 6. If you take 4 fours are, then also last digit is 6. 4 fours are 16. If you take 6 six are, then also last digit is 6 because 6 six are is 36. So 2 is already there. If you keep 4 and if you multiply, 4 fours are 16, carry up 1, 4 twos are 8 and 1 9. 96. And we don't want 96, we want 156. So 6 से try करेंगे. So 6 6 are 36, carry up 3, 6 2 are 12, 13 14 15. See, we are getting 156 by keeping 6. So 6 we will keep here, 6 we will keep here. Okay, and here 156. And after subtraction you get 0 0 0. So division is done. So square root of 2.56 is 1.6. So this is the final answer, that square root of 2.56 is 1.6. Hope I am clear. Now this was first question. Now moving ahead with second question. So second is 7.29. So first we will write here 7.29. Again we will draw the bars. So point के पहले यहाँ से start करेंगे. So एक ही digit है. So bar, and point के बाद 2 से start करेंगे. And we will go to right side. So 2 digit है खाली. So 29 दोनों आ जाएगा pair में. Now 7. So we have to again start thinking which square number we can take. So if you take 2 twos are 4. If you take 3 threes are, it will give you 9. So 9 we can't take. 9 ज़्यादा हो जाएगा 7 से. So 2 ले लेंगे. 2 twos are 4. Now 7 minus 4 is 3. And this side we have to do double. So what is double of 2? 2 plus 2? 4. And this 29 both we will bring down. So this 2 also and 9 also. Now we have to think of 329. How we will get this? Okay, so now before keeping the next number, we will keep here point. Okay, we will keep here point. Now 4 is there. Again last digit is 9. So last digit 9 है तो कब आएगा? So if we will take, see 3 threes is 9. If you keep 3, I don't think it will come. Let us try with 7 because 7 sevens is also 49. So let us try with 7. So 7 sevens are 49. So 9 carry up 4. Again 7 fours are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Yes, we are getting 329. So we have taken with 7s. So here I am keeping 7 and here also I am keeping 7. And here I am keeping the answer what I am getting 329. So 0 0 0. So 2.7 is the square root of 7.29. So therefore square root of 7.29 is 2.7. So this is second question. Now moving ahead with third one. So third question is 51.84. So we will write here 51.84. So this is our question. Now we will draw bars. So we will start from here. So 2 digit, here also 2 digit. Okay. Now 51. So we have to think of perfect square number which is less than or equal to 51. So you know that we can take 7 sevens are 49. Okay. This we can take. So 51 minus 49 will give you 2. Okay, 50 and 51. So 2. And this side we will do double of 7. So 7 plus 7 will give you 14. So here 14 we will write. Now this point is there, so we will keep here point. And this 84, okay, they are in pair, so we will bring it down both together. So 8 also and 4 also. Now 284. So 14, how many is a? Last digit is 4, means if you keep 2 twos are, you will get it. Okay, if you take 2, so 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8 and 2 ones are 2. Yes, with 2 you will get it. So 284, and when you subtract 0, 0, 0. So 7.2 is the answer. Therefore, square root of 51.84 is 7.2. So this is your answer of third one. Now we will see fourth question. Fourth question is 42.25. So again we will write here 42.25. Again before the point we will start drawing the bar from here. So ये 2 digit हो गया. After the point यहाँ से start करेंगे. So again 2 digit हो गया. Okay, now 42. Again we have to think of a perfect square number which is less than or equal to 42. So we can take 6 6 36, because if you take 7 7 it will be more. Now 42 minus 36 will give you 6, and this side double. So 6 plus 6, 12. Now point is there, so we will keep here point, and this 2 5 they are in pair, so both we will bring down. So 2 5. So 625. Now last digit is 5. So 5 कब आएगा? 5 से ही आएगा, because 5 5s are 25. So we will keep here 5. We will keep here 5. And if you multiply, the answer will be 625. 5 से आ जाएगा. You can multiply and check. So done. Okay, so 6.5 is the answer. Therefore, square root of 42.25 is 6.5. So this is your answer of fourth one. Now moving ahead to the last sum, fifth one. Now fifth question is 31.36. Okay, let us draw the bar here, and after the point we will start from here. So 2 digits. So this way we will get again perfect square number. So we will take 5 5s are 5 5s are 25. Okay, 6 6 are 36 is more, so we have to start with 5 5s are. Now 31 minus 25 will give you 6. Okay, now point is there, so we need to keep point. Now this 36, it is in pair, so both we will bring down. Okay, 6 3 6. Now this side we have to take double, so 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, now we want 6 3 6. Last digit is 6. So what you will keep here, so that the answer will become 6. So there are two options. You can take 4. 4 4s are 16, तो 6 आता है. Or you can take 6. 6 6 are 36, तो 6 आता है. So 4 और 6 दोनों में से कोई एक डिजिट यहाँ पे आएगा. कौन सा आएगा? So let us multiply and check. Okay, if we try with 6, then what we are getting? 6 6 are 36. 6 zeros are 0 and 3 is 3, and 6 ones are 6. Yes, with 6 we are getting. So we will take 6 6, and the answer is 636, and after subtraction 0 0 0. So it is done. So 5.6 is our answer. So you can write final statement. Therefore, square root of 3136 is equal to 5.6. So this is your final answer. Okay, square root of 31.36 equal to 5.6. So this was question number 3 of exercise 6.4.